back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to turn off auto answer calls on an Android phone. This setting can be helpful for some users, but if your phone is answering calls automatically without your permission, turning it off is a good idea. Open the Phone Dialer app. This is the main app you use to make and receive phone calls, and it also includes all the important call-related settings. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three-dot More icon. Next, select Settings. This will take you to the phone's call settings page. Now scroll down until you find the option called Answering and Ending Calls and tap on it to open. Now look for the Answer Automatically option. On some phones, this option may already be turned on, which causes calls to be answered automatically. Simply tap on the toggle to turn it off. Once disabled, your phone will no longer auto-answer incoming calls. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.